Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make meringue mushrooms. First, let's gather our essential ingredients: fresh egg whites, fine granulated sugar, and a touch of cream of tartar. It's crucial that all your mixing bowls and utensils are impeccably clean and grease-free. Even a tiny bit of oil can prevent your meringue from whipping up properly. We'll be using a stand mixer with a whisk attachment to achieve those perfect, stiff, glossy peaks that are the foundation of beautiful meringue mushrooms. Now that our meringue is ready, it's time for piping. You'll need 2 piping bags, one with a larger round tip for the mushroom caps and another with a smaller round tip for the stems. On a baking sheet lined with parchment paper, pipe small domed caps about 1½ inches in diameter, leaving ample space between them. For the stems, pipe straight, cylindrical shapes, approximately 1 inch tall, making sure they are sturdy enough to stand upright. Once piped, your meringue pieces are ready for the oven. Bake them at a very low temperature, typically around 200 degrees Fahrenheit, for about 1 to 2 hours, or until they are completely dry and crisp. After baking, turn off the oven and let the meringues cool inside with the door slightly ajar. This prevents cracking. Once fully cooled, gently remove them. Now, use a dab of melted chocolate or royal icing to carefully attach each cap to its corresponding stem, creating your mushroom shape. To give your meringue mushrooms a truly authentic look, lightly dust them with a bit of cocoa powder using a small brush. This adds a lovely, earthy finish. For storage, keep your beautiful creations in an airtight container at room temperature. They will stay crisp and delicious for several days, perfect for decorating desserts or as a standalone treat. And hey, for a different kind of clean, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. You can find a link to it and other great deals in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.